What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back again with another Dollar Tree DIY Valentine's Day project. And today we are making a sundae full of kisses. This project is going to be super quick. It's easy. It's affordable. And what's my favorite word, y'all? Cute. It's going to be super duper cute. So what you're going to need for this project is your hot glue gun, your hot glue sticks. You're going to need some kisses. I chose to get the red and the pink kisses. You're going to need this floral foam, your glass. You're going to need some garland. And I chose these heart-shaped straws. You get 6 in a pack from Dollar Tree. They have yellow, red, and pink. I've done this project before, but it was for Easter. So now we're going to do it for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to give this one to my mom as well, like I did the Easter one. So let's go ahead and get it started. What I first need you to do is say, hey, see in the comment section. And make sure you share me out. Let's get it. All right, sweeties. Let's start by taking the sticker off the bottom of the glass. And we're going to go ahead and open up our kisses and put them inside of our glass here. We want to do pink, red, pink, red. Make it look pretty. We want to finish it off with some pink. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. Next, we're going to hot glue the rim of our glass carefully. You can insert a piece of cardboard over top of the candy if you would want to, but I'm just going to carefully go around and hot glue. It's not running down onto the candy, so we should be fine. Okay, now we're going to place our foam right on top of there. Try to center it the best you can, but it doesn't really matter. Push down. Okay, so it's already stuck.
across the street to the park, right here. Oh, y'all, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. Gonna feel like baby, I swear, it's like
we're going to take our straw and stick it in our sundae. I'm thinking pink will look really cute. These straws are super cute, okay? We're going to take our straw and stick it down in our floral foam. Try to fill and stick. Okay? Like that. And this thing here needs a trim, honey, okay? So we're going to trim her up because we want to be able to see our kisses in there. It is a Sunday full of kisses, right?
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Purge. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
Your Sunday full of kisses, super duper easy, Dollar Tree DIY, Valentine's Day project. I want my straw to kind of go more towards the side at an angle like that. So let me just stick that. Okay. There we go. More at an angle. All right, sweeties, thank you so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Share this video. Comment down below how you like this project. If you plan to try this project, go ahead and tag me in your picture or your video. Also, hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Drip, drip, when you slide it. Dip, 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 me ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you want how to get it. Breaking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Wanna hug you, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Bite it, bite it, like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it cause you want, how to get it. Making up a date for you, bite it. This type shit have you. Drip, 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 drip.